In this video, we're going to show you how to connect your Shopify store to our app. First, you log in into your account, type in your email and your password, and click on Login. Then go to Store Authorize, go to Shopify, and in the top right corner, click on Add Store. Here you have to add your store address. You can find your store address in your store from here. Copy and paste. Then click on Authorized. Now it will ask you to install an app, so you click on the Install App in the top right. And as simple as that, authorization successful. Here you can see your store and it's activated successfully.